young, sila auntie, 26 and 19. Russian. Sad siya. So, grabe, nag-Islam lang mga radicals na nag-ano na. Nung isang araw, Hudi talagang totoo sa CNN. Ang Hudi, manhunt sa yung one. Na ano siya, nahuli sa boat.
Sorry, auntie.
Nag-escape siya from the boat?
Nag-manhunt sila, nag-close lahat ng mga
Once a year, the magic of Hollywood comes to the
And even the
Mountain Park
airport.
City, Utah for the Sundance Film Festival. It's a playground for movie lovers filled with celebrities, red carpets, and dreams come true.
Hindi nila mahanap yung bata. Sabi nila,
I'm Nicole
okay,
Bell
let's
for
just
AT&T
rest
Viewers
muna
Buzz,
naman.
and this is your
Sabi
behind
nila,
the scenes
okay, you
look
guys can
at
go out of
Sundance
your house na.
2013.
Nilift na yung ano na hindi. By the
Sundance
time
is
na
about bringing
ano,
storytellers together, from
lumabas
dramas
ng
to
lalaki,
documentaries. The Hollywood Festival is about personal original stories. That's why everyone comes here every year to show their films, to share their experiences, and to have some fun while doing
impossible
it.
kasi
For the next half hour, follow me as I navigate these most